How to change phone number on Wise account. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change the phone number on Wise account, it is pretty simple. So firstly, you need to launch your Wise application in your mobile device, after which log in into your Wise account. If you have option for biometric authentication, you can use it as well. If you get text message to authenticate, you need to make sure you still have the same SIM number in your mobile device. After you log in into your Wise account, navigate to details from your profile name or tap on the icon in the top corner. Select the option of Edit. In here, you can put your new phone number, but before that, you will receive a verification email with a link. Go ahead and check out your email box, then tap on the link to edit a new phone number. For verification, you will have to upload a selfie with an ID. After your verification, you'll get the chance to enter your new phone number. Also, make sure to enable the two-step verification once you have added a brand new SIM or a brand new number. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.